Hi, everybody, and welcome to A Taste of Elevate. For the next 5 days, I'm going to be sending you an email that will convey a lot of the information I find myself talking about over and over and over again in counseling sessions. Most of us, if we went to college, we took classes in communication, but very rarely did we really study interpersonal communication. And there are so many nuances to the way we talk to each other and try to convey messages that I found it gets discombobulated in a lot of relationships, whether it's a romantic relationship, a familial relationship, or even the relationships we have with coworkers. So at the end of this, you will have a huge toolkit to help you improve your communications. So I wanted to give you an idea of what you could expect. Every day, you're going to get an email that looks a little bit like this, and it's going to have the point of the day's lesson. It's going to have a video to watch, an article to read, and then an activity or a journal question. And so when you get that email, you're going to be able to do everything right there on your phone or your iPad or your desktop, whatever you see. And it shouldn't take more than about 30 minutes in all. The videos are generally very short and very easy to get through. Maybe the longest task is going to be contemplating the information and how it applies to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via email. Just reply to the email that you get. And then each day, I'll also have a very short video introducing that day's topic. So welcome to the Taste of Elevate. I'm really excited to join you in this journey and look forward to your first email tomorrow morning.